Can you imagine how a plant would be after standing under the sun for a whole day without any watering? Water is lost to the surroundings through evaporation. This passive process is called transpiration. Water keeps evaporating from the plant all the time. How is water replenished? To understand the process, let's first take a look at how transpiration occurs on plant surfaces. Transpiration occurs on plant surfaces exposed to the air. These include lenticels on trunks, cuticles and stomata on the surface of leaves. Among these, stomata account for over 90% of total water loss. Mesophyll cells in leaves have a thin film of moisture on their surfaces. This moisture evaporates into the airspace inside the leaf. The airspace is soon saturated with water vapor. Compared with the air outside, the airspace inside the leaf has a higher water vapor concentration. A concentration gradient is built between inside and outside the leaf across the gateway, stomata. Hence, water vapor diffuses out from the inside airspace to the outside through the stomata passage. During transpiration, the mesophyll cells next to the airspaces lose water due to evaporation. Their water potential drops. The cells deeper in the leaves have relatively higher water potential, and the water diffuses out by osmosis. As evaporation continues on these outer mesophyll cells, water is continuously drawn from deeper and deeper cells, and finally from the water transport pipe, xylem. This leads to a reduction of the water pressure at the top of the xylem vessels. Due to the water pressure difference and cohesion of water molecules, water is drawn upwards along the xylem vessels. This flow of water through the plant is called the transpiration stream. The pull which draws water upwards is called the transpiration pull. Water is absorbed through root hairs to replenish the loss. As the water is continuously evaporated from the leaves, water is replenished from the soil. After watering a plant, water, together with the dissolved minerals, is absorbed through root hairs. They are transported through the xylem and ultimately reach the leaves. Some of them are used in the food-making process. The rest is evaporated through the stomata as vapor. This produces a cooling effect on the plant.